Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics. Make sure your iPad is on a supported iOS release and has enough battery. Next, open Control Center and turn on airplane mode briefly, then turn it off. This clears radio glitches. Now toggle Bluetooth off and on from Control Center, and again, inside Settings Bluetooth. If Settings still shows Bluetooth as unavailable, force close Settings by swiping it away and reopen it. This resets the UI state and often restores the Bluetooth service quickly. If toggles didn't fix it, perform a full restart. Power the iPad off, wait 30 seconds, and power it back on to reinitialize wireless chips. Once rebooted, check Settings General Software Update. Installing updates often resolves firmware-level Bluetooth bugs. If specific accessories misbehave, tap the info icon and choose Forget this device, then Repair. As a stronger step, go to Settings General Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears saved radios and often resolves hidden configurations. When software troubleshooting fails, back up your iPad to iCloud or a computer and perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes. Restoring the OS removes stubborn system corruption that breaks Bluetooth. If the issue persists after a restore, it's likely a hardware fault. Book diagnostics with Apple support or an authorized service provider. One quick troubleshooting tip: try pairing a different known good Bluetooth accessory. If that works, the problem is the original peripheral, rather than your iPad's radio or settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.